Hey there, Mama-to-be. Welcome to week 30 of your amazing pregnancy journey. Can you believe you're already here? Let's dive into what you can expect this week. So how's your little one doing? Right now, your baby is about the size of a large cabbage, weighing around 3 pounds and measuring roughly 15.7 inches. Their brain is developing rapidly, and they're starting to get into a regular sleep and wake cycle. You might even feel them hiccup. Adorable, right? Now let's talk about you. As your belly grows, you might experience some common discomforts like backaches and swollen feet. It's all part of the process, but remember to listen to your body and take it easy. Wondering what to eat? Focus on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Foods rich in iron, calcium, and omega-3s are super important right now, but try to avoid high mercury fish, too much caffeine, and of course alcohol. And don't forget your prenatal vitamins, especially those with folic acid and DHA. When it comes to activities, keep it safe and moderate. Gentle exercises like walking, swimming, and prenatal yoga can do wonders. But steer clear of high-impact sports, heavy lifting, and anything that puts you at risk of falling. And yes, sex is usually safe during pregnancy, but always check in with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Now, let's touch on a sensitive topic: miscarriage. At 30 weeks, the risk is lower, but it's still important to take care of yourself. Avoid stress, stay hydrated, and keep your prenatal appointments. You might also notice changes in your vaginal discharge. A white or clear, mild-smelling discharge is normal. However, if you see green, yellow, or foul-smelling discharge, or if you experience itching or burning, it's time to call your doctor. These could be signs of an infection. Speaking of doctors, make sure to keep those prenatal appointments. Regular checkups are crucial for monitoring your and your baby's health. If you ever feel something isn't right, trust your gut and reach out to your healthcare provider. That's it for week 30, Mama. You're doing an incredible job. Keep taking care of yourself and your little one. See you next time, and remember to enjoy every moment of this beautiful journey. Stay healthy and happy.